This is DashboardSymbols.com. Here we are going to replace the dead battery in a 3-button Nissan key fob with a fresh one. The process is identical to that used in the 4-button fob used by both Nissan and Infiniti. We will need the tip of a very small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. We'll first need to remove the mechanical key. Slide the release button on the back of the fob and pull on the key ring end to remove the key. Hold the button long enough for a full release. We want to split the fob into its 2 halves. We'll do this using the screwdriver tip inserted into each of the 2 small corner slots on either side of the area now exposed. Use the tip of the screwdriver in the slot. We have it covered with a glasses cleaning cloth to protect the plastic. A relatively gentle twist unsnaps the 2 halves, which can then be separated. The battery is seen in one of the 2 halves with its markings down. We'll use the tip of the screwdriver again to get beneath it in the one area where the edge is exposed. And there is the CR2032. A new one slips in easily, starting against the 2 metal spring clips on the inside portion of the plastic. Make sure the markings are down. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using the glasses cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery. If you happen to touch it on install, give it a final wipe. The 2 halves of the fob snap together easily. Replace the mechanical key. Then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.